and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cinematic text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this background. Actually you don't really need it, but I'm just going to add it, and I'm going to add in a text, and I'm just going to type in oops, spelled that. Oh my god. There you go. So I look gorgeous, I feel like it is. But you are going to also change the font if you want to. You don't have to. I'm just going to select this font right here. And I'm going to then right click on the text, and then I'm going to select create compound clip. Then you are going to go to mask and select the film strip one, and you're going to kind of like rotate it like this way and feather it out just a little bit. And then here you're going to place it here, like at the beginning of the clip. Maybe like feather it out just a little bit, actually, a little bit more. And then here you are going to add a keyframe in position, and then kind of like at the end of the intro, maybe like here, you're going to move it to the right. So it looks something like this. And that is basically it. Really, you can add in a song on top of that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!